Alright, man camp 2, here we are. The shelter got a little destroyed, but we'll make it work. Gotta fix it up. It's gonna be a good day. Let's get to work. Oh! Felt like a spear. Yes! Look at this. Oh, we're doing so great. Do a little shooting competition. We're gonna create a bracket and we're gonna fire these cannons. Let's do it. Okay, it's tournament time. So I guess Abram and Asa.
All cans are worth 1. The jug cap on the right is worth 3.
All right, guns up. Abram.
3, 2,
1, go. Oh my gosh, he got the tap.
I have 2, dummy.
Oh,
Are you getting Ace of Mine?
I
think Ace has got 6 or 7. Abram's got 3. Ace of wins. Alright, Ace of wins by a landslide.
fine. All right.
3, 2, 1, go.
That thing will shoot. Not all because leather straps. Ah. Me.
That was me.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, come on. 5. No. 6. Man, good job. Time for the championship.
Alright, gentlemen, keep score of yourselves. The cap is 3, cans are 1. 3, 2, 1, fire.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, card is that? 6. Oh, darn it. Okay.
Oh!
Good game.
Wait, how many did you hit?
I got 6.
You got 6.
Good game.
Play it back. Play it back.
Oh, really?
Play it back.
Play it back. I think that's cheating.
Fire?
What's cheating?
Sport looking great.
Check this out. Oh, this is so good.
Pellet, you're here. Hi.
Are you skewering your chicken?
I am. Go. That's why I said it.
I was excited to get some good sleep that night.
Ah!
But obviously that didn't happen.
Did you join us tonight to finish what you started? To cut this tree down?
I'm gonna finish this thing.
You started it last time you came here, and now you're gonna finish it.
Come back for revenge.
I got you.
Come on!
Get it.
Timber!
Yeah!
Kind of dull.
I swung a little too hard.
You mutilated that thing. What the heck?
It's a hatchet now.
Oh yeah, it's a hatchet. Yeah, that's safe. You're too strong for your own good.
Too strong for my own good.
Ooh, Hey, wow, yeah, that's gonna be really effective. How's the sandwich?
Immaculate. Oh my.
Really? Huh. Me and the boys are shooting at a pea jug. Oh my gosh.
Let's see how fast we can shoot it.
Oh! 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 So, yeah, how'd that happen, Caleb? There.
Ah, it stinks! Funny story. So, I was grabbing the knife, and I shoved it into the tree, and my finger just scraped on the holder thing.
Oh,
I'm just gonna not do that anymore. Yeah, look at that.
ugh, it's nasty.
Getting ready for bed.
Good night, good night. It's working. It's time to go early morning fishing. Let's go. Zoom zoom. Bye farm.
Bye, farm.
Going fishing.
So, what do y'all think of the first night? Cold.
It's a little stiff.
I was literally on the outside of the fort with no walls. I barely wore any clothing, so it was a double lose. You grab bait for catfish?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh.
Bruh.
Oh, catfish eat night crawlers.
That makes sense.
Do we have a ton of worms?
Oh yeah.
Oh, good. Sweet.
Guys,
Could have had one more, but Abe threw that one in the fire.
Nah, nobody else.
Yeah, no one asked, but I stated.
All right, time to go fishing.
Good.
Let's go fishing, boys.
Nice.
You can cast it back if you like.
Oh, but we're not gonna take time to relish our first fish.
Nope. We're relishing our second bigger fish.
I don't know if that's gonna do much.
Come back fishing.
I feel so bad for that.
We're not done with you yet.
Look at it. If you thread that worm back. I'm too good at this, for real.
That's pretty small. Here, wait. Put it in front of the camera. Look how big that fish is. Oh my gosh.
For real.
How's the fishing going?
Not good.
Not good.
We caught some small fish. Nothing good.
Does it have eyes on it? It's so cute.
Got a little spoon on there.
Oh, pretty. Big catch of the
I think we
day.
should bring that one home and try to eat it.
That'd be kind of cool. We should just try
We
it.
should split it between all of us.
We can stick
so
it
much meat on
and then
there.
Yes,
roast
a
it.
rotisserie.
Yeah.
This is such a bad idea. You really want?
Yeah.
That is so sad.
It's such a realistic looking bait.
I'm excited to roast this fish up.
There's no meat on it.
It's a little sliver, maybe.
Yeah, I call putting the stick in him. I want to roast him.
You want to roast
good.
him? You did catch him after all.
He's not having a good time.
Did you hear that fishing became so popular that God created fish after the sport of fishing? It's just like how they created horses after Old Town Road. I subscribe to that notion.
See the cat's back, Caleb.
Stop it. Throw you in the fire. Get out of here. No, get. Hate that cat. I'm a lover of cats, but like, not that one.
I believe that.
The cat vomited twice, so. Be nice to the boy. He may puke worms, but he's adorable.
No, he's not.
Poor fish.
Is that fish dead?
Is he dead?
Probably dead now.
Oh, come on. Keep.
Now you let him roast.
You gonna put him in
What
the
the
fire?
heck are you doing? What are you? No. Just gotta get food.
You can't cook him like that.
He looks healthy. Look at his eye. It's like white. Yeah, he just shoved it in ash. That looks scrumptious.
Doesn't it?
I say we feed it to the cat.
Yeah. Yeah.
You want it? I think that's a no.
No. Sizzling.
I watched this from Gordon.
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh yeah. Look at all this meat.
Alright.
There's pure fillet fish.
Yeah. No, not the eyes.
Black tar.
Oh,
Eat the
bro.
eyes, dummy.
It's on your lip.
It's right here.
Guy.
Get it together.
This is so cute.
Fish fillet that I cooked.
How is it? Bro.
Fish bone. Come on. Tastes fishy. It tastes salty. You bite.
I'm good. I'm good. Watching TV at man camp's illegal.
Hey, 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 hey.
Dude, the mood is so strong. So how's everyone's band camp?
It was pretty good. I like the roasting of the fish. It was good.
That was sad.
I feel like we roughed it pretty well.
We did rough it.
We weren't two sissies, but we also weren't primitive cavemen.
Yeah.
Once we get to your place, Micah, we can evaluate whether or not Abram and I need a shower.
Yeah.
Dude, I need a freaking shower.
What do you mean evaluate? We haven't had showers in like 2 days.
Never mind. I guess we'll all take a shower.
Yeah.
How's the space situation back there, gentlemen?
Just fine.
Comfy.
It's just like having Owen back here.
Aw, rest in peace, Owen. We had another redhead take his place. I don't know how that went.
Oh.
Nah, just kidding. We love you, Gil. But we miss you, Owen. Rest in peace. Hey, I'm great. This is
You probably
actually
forgot
good.
something.
Mr. Caleb. Caleb?
Yo, are you on Highway 930?
I'm almost.
I was just wondering, like, where you are, because, like, I was gonna try to pass you.
Alright.
Whatever.
Well, we'll see
I'll
you.
see you around, maybe. Alright, bye.
Okay, bye.
We should tell a story by all saying one word at a time. So like in a big square.
I like it.
Joe.
Mama.
Is.
Rather.
Extremely.
And.
What? That doesn't mean anything.
And.
And very.
Stinking.
Fact.
Everyone was avoiding it.
Bro, what does he want?
He's right behind us as well.
He might be.
I'm behind you!
Hey, he is.
Bro, he's behind us.
Oh, he's jamming on the gas.
Oh, crap. Bro, he is not passing me right now. That is
my
hilarious. Okay.
Need a dash cam.
Really?
Hi.
Are you just gonna accept that?
I'm good. I'm good. Yes, sir.
Roll down the window, please.
Hi. Goodbye. Man, I bet this car stinks now. We're all probably really stinky.
Yeah, Jim does kind of stink.
Hey, what are you doing tomorrow?
Go to school.
Cool. Jude, what are you doing tomorrow?
I'm gonna go to school.
Hey, Mike, are you going to school tomorrow?
I am going to school tomorrow.
But it's Halloween.
Is it really a holiday though? You know, it's kind of
the biggest holiday.
Halloween's kind of dumb.
You're kind of dumb.
But everything's better than Halloween. St.
Really?
Patrick's Day is better than Halloween.
Okay,
What?
In my opinion.
Yeah, no.
Dude, green? That's my favorite color.
But you
Green's
know,
awesome.
the season premiere of Bob's Burgers is probably the best holiday.
Whatever you say. Whatever you say.
There's
Actually,
milk.
we can get some pineapple Fanta at the gas station.
Pineapple Fanta?
That's Owen's favorite drink. This is in memory of Owen. I gotta
really?
stop. It's only like $1.
Pineapple Fanta.
Not sponsored.
Cheers.
You guys want to waterfall some Fanta?
Oh my gosh, there's 80 sugars in a bottle?
Yeah.
159% of your daily value.
I haven't seen a drink sweeter than this.
Pineapple Fanta is yours today.
But Americans are fat, so it doesn't count. That's crazy. Americans drink sugar while they're eating sugar.
Oh, go to school like that.
Ew.
No, I think
Play that back. Jose.
So.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, like and subscribe. And stay tuned for more survival stuff. So, we'll see ya.